toilet.
Oh God, here we go.
Mom, stay in.
Stop it, Katie.
You know they're gonna try and fly back here for the next week.
If a bird comes out,
Oh, there's gonna be a whole nest of birds. Trust me. Hand me the.
Well. Uh-oh, they're going silent.
I know
They know something's happening.
Oh, you got the oven on too? Thanks. Bart, hold the fan. No, hold the fan.
Fan.
Just bar right here. Hold it. It's gonna fall.
I don't know how you want me to hold it.
Just put pressure on it.
I'm
It's gonna
videotaping
It's all
it, Mom.
sticky.
I know.
If it's bird poop,
It's not.
Well, you
Don't be a
will
wussy
wash
boy.
your hands, you big baby.
And we're gonna switch positions here. And then you're gonna switch over there. That's bird poop, dude. Something just filled up. No, dude.
It's probably a dead egg.
You need to put a buffer here. We need a buffer here.
That's the lady who's making us do that.
Too bad. That's what they get for coming in my house. Dead bird. Little PETA. Call PETA.
dead bird's
I'm
the
gonna
only
kill
good
them with
bird.
toothpicks, little baby birds.
She's taking a video, Mom.
Good.
Come on.
Stab their little baby bird hearts with toothpicks.
You're terrible.
That's why I married her, because she's a jerk.
Well, don't mess with my house. I need to cook.
Oh man, they're freaking.
You need to cook? I'm the one who's cooking.
Hold on.
Ooh, my delicious brownies.
No, I'm talking cooking on the stove. You
rain
cannot
down.
cook on the stove till the birds are gone. Okay, get the nest down there.
Electrical in there too. Oh God, here we go.
I'll hold this. You empty it.
All right, ready for the swarm?
Get over there, kid. You're not getting it. You're getting Dad's back. Ooh, look at his face. Come over and get his face. Here. Here, here's it. Oh, get it when it comes out. Uh-oh.
They're way up there this time.
Uh-oh.
Here it comes. Here's the net.
Uh-oh. 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 Katie, you're not... Can I have...
I am too.
Get it. You're not getting the nest.
Yes,
Bring it
I
out.
am.
Oh,
There's one right there.
Oh, Daddy! I want to keep it.
No.
Look at Mom.
Get it outside.
Go get Mom. Can you get a video of
Get
Mom?
it outside. Get it
Hold it back.
outside.
Hold it back. Hold it back.
No!